Exposed. Nigerian Central Bank Governor Godwin Emefiele bribes, silence National Assembly members with borrow the change licenses. Hello, my wonderful people. These are the same people that went ahead and says NSAS protesters' account should be frozen because they have sponsors. People are giving them money from abroad. These same people cannot expose those who are also sponsoring the Boko Haram in Nigeria because they all have a hand in it. The same Mefeli, when they released the account, finally said he took, went back to the bank that the bank must keep their bank frozen, their account frozen, blah 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 blah. No, say you see, him himself a thief. He has been bribing National Assembly members. You see, this country, there is a lot going on. There is hardly anybody in government, hardly, I didn't say there is none, hardly. Okay, so if there are, the percentage are really slim of those who are honestly honest, truth, if there are any, it's very slim. It's very, very slim. Who are honest, truth, who have integrity, and who want to really, do something worthwhile for the nation. Honestly, very few of them. See Emefiele now, bribing members of our National Assembly with borrow the change, license so that they can do whatever. You see this money laundry, all of them no consign. All of them know. In fact, is the one that has fallen short that becomes the victim that you hear about. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Expose. Nigerian Central Bank Governor Emefiele bribes silenced National Assembly members with borrow the change licenses. Sahara reporters learned that the principal and vocal member of the National Assembly have been awarded the license by Emefiele so that they could mellow down on the several probe of infrastructural and misappropriation concerning the CBN. The governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, is currently the favor of the National Assembly top echo by awarding them with the borrow of change license. Sahara reporters learned that the principal vocal members have gone ahead and have given them so that they can mellow down and do not probe him. Sahara reporters gathered that some of the legislators used the third-party company to obtain the license from the CBN, while others who did not have the request and the required financial deposits were also assisted by the CBN governor to access government loans. Top sources familiar with the incident decried the CBN grief, lamenting that Emefiele is squandering the money of the federal government of the Apex Bank because his administration was indicted in the alleged mismanagement of the Nigerian incentives-based risk-sharing system for agriculture ending microfinance back and the diversion of public funds. The attempt by the National Assembly to probe into these CBN allegations has rapidly prompted the settlement by the CBN governor to settle some of the House of Assembly members, an insider source has revealed. The latest in this probe is the settlement of the principal and vocal members of the National Assembly with the power to change license by the CBN governor, who is under investigation for several misappropriation of the country's fund. The governor has issued the license to those legislative members through the companies of their choice, and many use third-party companies. Some of the legislators who claim to lack the required financial deposit have also been assisted by Emefiele so that he can get this and leave him alone. The Ninth Assembly of the National Assembly under Senator Ahmed Lawal and Femi Gbajumamila could better be described as the most corrupt and silenced legislative government of arm under the current dispensation, no thanks to free access to contract cash and patronage from strategic revenue generator. Agencies under the legislative supervision powers of the legislator. The legislators and their principal officers have graduated from conspiracy projects into slotting of enjoyment by themselves. Now they share the license within themselves, where the current Minister of Humanitarian Affairs also settled them with the national, with the end power and conditional cash transfer contracts and others going on between themselves. So when you see a Mayfeli, when you see what's the other one's name, Gbajibamila, when you see Ahmed Lawa, they are all birds of a feather. So don't think that anyone is different from the other. You know, when you look at the coin, there's different parts of the coin you see, yes? So it's all the same people, it's all the same thing. There is nothing different among them. So don't get it twisted that one is more than the other. No, they're all the same people, okay? So that's what is happening. So this woman, the Befele, is being probed on several issues. But what has he done? He's gone to the powers that be to check on them to say, okay, what do you want? He has given them loans. He has given them everything that they could possibly want so that he's not probed. You know, it's happening. It's happening. You know, whatever you are saying now again, it's a clear indication that this country, you cannot begin to wonder the things that go on. Yet they are chasing Yahoo Yahoo boys. So disclaimer, we're not saying you should go and join Yahoo Yahoo. Yet they are chasing people left, right, and center. And the real thieves are they are the ones. For instance, see what happened recently where the Attorney General of the Federation did a snapshot showing to Nigerians that he was no longer using Twitter. Guess what? What we saw on his phone, he was still doing Bitcoin that has been banned by. So who is deceiving who? The Attorney General of the Federation is trading on Bitcoin. He wants to reduce the population of those on Bitcoin so that he can make more profits. And you think all is well. Please think again. Please, I beg your pardon. Think again. Something is seriously wrong. Very, very wrong in this country. There are a lot of things going on. There are a lot of happenings going on. And when you look at it, you say, what a country. What indeed a country. My dear, it's happening. Oh, it is really happening. So this is what they do. This is how they get away with the stolen properties and all that. Leave us a comment. We'd like to hear from you. And the funniest thing is that Bawa, EFCC is not tailing them. Oh. Nigeria, they are all scammers. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. God bless you. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. Bye for now.